Hey guys, so I want to take a second to show you how to get to Google Documents from Schoology today and show you how to navigate within Google Documents as we are going to focus the majority of our morning on really looking at Google Drive and Google Documents and how it's going to work for us. We're going to be using Google Docs a lot within our classroom. You'll be using them to collaborate with one another. You're going to be using them to show me that you've learned certain pieces of content. So this is very important. Now, that said, know that I am very flexible as far as how content is created. If Google Documents is very difficult for you, please know that I am happy if you do it on a piece of paper and you send me a picture through your iPad, or if you do it through a Word document or something along those lines. However, today I really would like for you to be working in Google Drive with a Google Drawing just so that you can start practicing using these tools. So that's my warning one. Warning two is Google Drive, unfortunately, is not best buddies with the iPad. Go figure, Google and Apple are not friends. So anyway, we have found that it's just easier to use Google Drive when you are creating documents on a laptop or computer. I would highly recommend doing that, and you're going to save yourself a lot of heartache and stress. So those are my two warnings for you. One, let's try and use Google Drive today, but if you have an alternate means for content later in the semester, please just let me know. And two, try and do this on a computer or with a laptop today so that then you can save some time. Okay, so here I am in our second grade classroom. Third graders, just know that I'm using the second grade classroom as an example. So what you're going to do today is you're going to go ahead and take a look at my Google document here, and you can click this link and it'll take you to a picture of my Google document. You kind of see what I did here. You probably will be able to take a look around. You can see that I've put some pictures, I've added some content, I've added some captions, okay, to give you just kind of a little bit of an idea of who I am. So what you are going to do is you are going to create your own today. Now, in order to do that, you must be logged into Google. I would highly recommend getting into the habit of logging into Schoology and Google, your various student Google account every day, just so that then everything is talking to each other. It makes it much easier, okay? So make sure that you are logged into Google. That's on your logins document, okay? So you log into your Google, your Gmail, using your student ID and then your 8-digit birthday as a password. And you're going to go ahead, once you are into your inbox, and this is my inbox, you're going to find this little grid, this array of 9 boxes. You're going to click that, you're going to open Drive. Okay, and you're going to see all of the fun stuff in my Drive. You'll notice it says Jeffco Public Schools up here. Okay, so you can go to New, hit More. That may not let me do that because my little webcam is right here. Let's see here if I can do it with my arrows. I'll just move me. Here we go. Okay. So I'm going to click More. Let me go to Google Drawings. That is one way to get to where I need you to go today. However, you can also, from the Getting to Know Mislinear document, you can go to File and New Drawing. Either way, it will get you into a new blank drawing. So a couple of things for functionality. What's really cool with Google Drawings is you can click and drag from the internet. You can click and drag from your computer as far as images go. So if I am looking to insert a picture, I can just go to Insert Image, and I can either upload it from my computer, I can take a snapshot on my computer, or I can go by URL, finding something in Google Images. Now, awesome second and third graders, this is something that I do want your PAWS partners to be sitting with you and helping you with along the way. Soon we will gradually release this to you and you can do this on your own. My students from last year, I know that you can do this on your own and you'll be great. But those of you who are new to this, I would really like you to work together as a team with your PAWS partner and see if you can't get some things up there that tell us about you, so that we know a little bit about you and that you get some practice using a Google document. Okay. Within Drive, just really quickly, you'll notice that there's also Docs, Sheets, which we probably won't be using a lot of. We will be using a lot of Google Docs. We will create some Google slide presentations, which is kind of like a PowerPoint presentation, and we'll use some Google drawings as well. Okay, so just so you know, that's how we get to those new drawings. And you are going to go ahead and have some fun today. Have some fun with your pause partner and create away. Remember, use this on a computer or a laptop. I think you'll thank me.